Dear students, now our next topic is changing mouse settings with the help of control panel. Double click on my computer icon. In my computer window, click on computer tab and click on open control panel option. Now in control panel window, select mouse option. Now you can see mouse properties dialog box is now opened. Here you can see different tabs are there: buttons tab, pointers, pointer options, wheel, hardware, device settings, and different sections are also there. Button configuration section, double click speed, click locks section. Under the button configuration section, here the function of left button and right button are given. Generally by default, left button is used to select any particular file or folder, and when we double click on any particular file with the left button, that particular file is opened. And when we right click on any particular icon or folder, its context menu appears. Fine. But now here we can switch the functions of the two with each other. So what you have to do, just you have to click on the left handed radio button. When you click on this left handed radio button, it will be deselected itself. Now click on apply and click on OK. Now the function which are done by the left button now will be done with the help of right button, and the function which are done by the right button now will be done with the help of left button. So now here you can see I am clicking on any particular option. I am right clicking here. See, when I right click here, it is opened. It means that पहले लेफ्ट बटन से डबल क्लिक करने से ओपन होता था, बट नाउ राइट क्लिक करने से ही ओपन हो गया. इट मीन्स दैट कि अब हमने इन दोनों के फंक्शंस को स्विच कर लिया है. ओके, नाउ आई एम क्लिकिंग अगेन ऑन कंट्रोल पैनल, ओपन कंट्रोल पैनल. Now see, I am changing again its default settings. Click on right handed again and click on apply and click on OK. Okay, now another function of mouse settings will be changed from here. Click on mouse again. Here you can see double click speed section, slow and fast are written. If you want to make the speed fast of double click, okay, then you can move this slider towards fast. And if you for example, if you are not able to double click very quickly together, then you should make its speed slow. So move the slider towards slow. Okay, so I am selecting it in medium. Now click on apply and click on OK. Now another option is there, folder options. Click on folder options. Here you can see under the section click items as follows. You have to just, for example, here it is written double click to open an item. Okay, it means that whenever we double click on any item, it will be opened now. So we can change the settings from here also. I am selecting this radio button. Now what will happen, single click to open an item. पहले क्या होता था, when we double click on any item it will be opened, but now I have changed the settings. Now whenever we I will single click on any particular item, it will be opened. And underline icon titles only when I point at them. जैसे ही मैं माउस का पॉइंटर किसी पर्टिकुलर आइकन पर लेकर जाऊंगी, वो वैसे ही सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. जबकि पहले क्लिक करने से सेलेक्ट होता था, डबल क्लिक करने से ओपन होता था. बट नाउ इट इज चेंज्ड. व्हेन आई पॉइंट द माउस पॉइंटर, देन it will be selected, and when I single click on any particular item, it will be opened. Okay, so but if you want to change the settings again, then you have to click on restore defaults. Okay, now if you want to change the settings, then change these options, then click on apply and click on OK. So now see, I move the mouse pointer to Windows firewall. Now it is selected. When I single click on it, it will be opened. Okay, ठीक है, हो गया open. Now if you want to change the settings again, okay, हमें default settings create करनी है, then open the control panel again and you have to just go to the folder options and click on the restore defaults. Restore defaults पर click करते ही see this particular radio button is deselected now, and now there is a this particular radio button, double click to open an item, is now selected. Click on apply and click on OK. So students, do practice of these practicals. It will help you learn better. Thank you. Bye.